Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, we would like to present about our community service program and the title, A Cost-Effective Self-Balancing Robot for STEM Education. We use a MicroPython-based microcontroller and Kalman-assisted PID controllers. Our team led by Dr. Karisma Putra and our members, Dr. Rohman Shah, Mr. Aban Ataya, Mr. Muammar Kadaki, Dr. Sofyan Abu Talib, and our respective partners, Professor Sing Chung Chen. Okay, for the background, the challenge in STEM education, there are three challenges. First, limited access. Many self-balancing robot platforms remain inaccessible, especially for schools, due to software restriction, licensing limitation, and high cost. Then the second, black box learning. This proprietary firmware restricts access to source code, inhibiting student exploration and experimentation with control logic. And the third, financial barriers. These mid-range kits often cost between 150 to 300 US dollar per unit, prohibitive for institutions in low income or under-resourced regions. So our solution is, this study introduces a fully open source MicroPython based self-balancing robot tailored for educational use. This system integrates 5 components. The first, we utilize the ESP32 microcontroller running MicroPython programming languages. The second, we also use the low-cost inertia measurement unit, which is MPU 6050 for orientation data. And the third, we integrate the Kalman filter into the PID controller for stability. The fourth, we also use open hardware schematic and firmware. And the last, the affordable component, which is estimated around 50 US dollar in total. So we use the MicroPython. What is MicroPython? Basically, this is the simplified Python programming language. As you can see here, the Python provides a more simplifies programming language compared with the C++ and also the Java. And the Python right now currently able to implement into the low-cost microprocessor system, for example Raspberry Pi, and even the microcontroller system. There are several microcontroller example, for example the ESP32, ESP8266, and the Raspberry Pi Pico. And for our architecture, we developed the ESP32 as the main microprocessor. This microprocessor will process the data from orientation sensor MPU 6050, and then the data will be used to drive the motor, left motor and right motor, to balance the body of the robot. And all of the configuration, all of the orientation variable can be monitored using web interface developed using the microdot library, which is written in the MicroPython programming language. And for the component and cost breakdown, we utilize 1 unit of ESP32, 1 unit of the orientation sensor, 2 units of stepper driver motor, also 2 units of stepper motor. For the power supply, we use lithium-ion battery, and for the other component, for soldering and so on, the estimated cost around 50 US dollar. And the performance, as you can see, we compare the performance with 3 configurations: the PID without filter, PID with complementary filter, and PID with Kalman filter. And this is the sensor fusion accuracy. As you can see, the robot will push the body of itself into the 0 degree, which is on the normal standing position, and the smoothness profile, you can see that the Kalman filter produce significantly smoother output compared with without the PID without filter and PID with complementary filter. And the performance, as you can see, the Kalman filter offer the best balance of accuracy, stability, and control efficiency. And for the conclusion, this hardware development board costs about $50 that deliver performance comparable to more expensive proprietary systems, making this robot education accessible to all educational industry. And the second, this development use open source, fully open hardware and firmware, and it can trigger community sharing, community driven development, and customization on the future. And the last, the hand-on learning, student gain practical experience with control system, embedded programming, sensor fusion, and electrical technical skills. And maybe that's it for our presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.